For any funder, you can see a history of their grants, grant reports, interaction, and cultivation on their funder profile. If we go to the funders page, you can see how many grants we've sent to this funder, how many we have pending, the amount pending, and information. So now we're in the funder record, and we have that contact information for that foundation, any notes that you have on that foundation, and you can see all of the grants for that funder in one place. So you really have that history of grants and the connection with this foundation. You can also see any grant reports here and any task. You can add your contacts for that foundation and any related documents. Now, on any grant or any of these tables, you can filter further. So you can filter it by the due date, maybe by the current status, or the user who completed that grant. So you can really dig deeper and see information about that grant.